Hi, this is Bob from Ziqi Compressor Shanghai Company. Today, one set oil-free drive type school air compressor ready to ship to Brazil. This is a 100% oil-free Class 0 drive type school air compressor to supply clean compressed air to customers' needs. Okay, let us open the air compressor cabinet here to let us see the inside of the air compressor. As for Ziqi oil-free drive type school air compressor, the advantages are energy saving, stable working, durable, and lower noises. The independent air intake system to ensure the temperature of the intake air is equal to the environment temperature. The large capacity air filter used to make sure the better effort of the factory. This is the key part school air range. As for Ziqi compressor adopted USA England brand, origin Germany GHH brand, the best oil-free drive school air range manufacturer in the world. Quality assurance and durable, stable working, and higher efficiency. Another key part, electric motor. Ziqi compressor adopt Brazil WEG brand motor, the second biggest motor manufacturer in the world. Ultra-efficient level IE4 three-phase induction synchronous motor, IP55 protection, Class 5 insulation, Class B temperature rise, suitable for any harsh environments, and equipped with a frequency inverter to make the electric motor working with variable speed driving to realize energy saving. And here is another small size frequency inverter is for the fan motor. The air compressor adopted centrifugal fan. It has a large air volume and working with lower noises. The noises of the air compressor is greatly reduced 6 to 8 decibels, give users a quiet environment. Okay.